Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Siobhan, aka Pine and Ginger Plans, and I'm bringing to you some very late opening of my Simply Gilded Hummingbird Story box. Now you guys are getting late because I haven't even opened it officially yet. As you can see, the box has been through some things thanks to you know who. Yep, you know who caused it to look not at its best, but oh, I just realized I'm missing something. So before I get to the in-house duties, give me one sec. Alright, I'm back, you guys. So if this is your first time here, thank you for joining me on my channel. I truly appreciate you coming. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also tap the notification bell so that you never miss another upload on this channel. And if it's not your first time here, thank you for coming back and joining me on here. And if you guys enjoy what you see here today, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and maybe even share it with your friends today. So this is the Hummingbird Story from Simply Gilded. This is, as it says, volume 41 on here. I made it a while ago. Obviously I haven't used it because I haven't been planning in my planner because I just haven't been feeling like it. So I have a lot of back planning to do. And truth be told, I really didn't look inside of here. I didn't really look at anyone's unboxing videos like that. So this is my first glance at this, and I'm already loving the colors from what I see on the box. And even though I'm not a big silver person, if this has silver foiling to it, I'm okay with it. But right here, I see we have, what are these? Ooh, priority sticky note tabs. Okay, that's cute. But let's look at the journaling. This is not a journaling card. The menu card, I should say, to tell us what's in this box. So we have a foil journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seals, large printed pocket. I'm going to say that's how that's pronounced. A 5-stitch binding notebook. Yes, finally an A5. Engraved gel ink pen, priority sticky tabs, sparkle charm bookmark, and the mystery item. And if you can't, well, obviously you probably can't tell, my eyes are already searching for the mystery item. So this video will most likely be a spoiler as well, because you guys are gonna see the mystery item, such as I. So we're just gonna get into it from what's sitting on top. So this is the Sparkle Charm bookmark, I believe. This is it. This is cute. It's cute. It's pink with a silver Simply Gilded signature bow here. What's that on me? So you have the Simply Gilded bow right there. Oh, sorry guys. Let's fix that. Yep, so we have the bow right here. Silver. It's a little tangled. Okay, and then we have a heart. So that can just dangle on the outside of your planner like so. So that's cute. I'm gonna try to wrap this back up as neatly as possible so it doesn't tangle, and put it on back in here. I like that. I think I do have a pink binder planner thingamajiggy somewhere this year. I don't know, because like I do. I have a what's that brand that has been discontinued kind of by Michaels, or Michaels absorbed it? It's from overseas. I think it was based in Australia. The name will probably come to me, and when it comes to me afterwards, after doing this video, I'll put it across the screen. But I have the vegan planner, so that will probably go good with that. And here we have oh, excuse me, the priority sticky note tabs. So we have pink trumpet, nectar, sweet leaf, bluebell, and purple crown. You already know which color is my favorite. Is purple crown. So that's that. That's cute. I'm gonna tuck it right there. Then we have, oh, this must be, all right, boom, here it is. This must be the mystery item. This looks like a pen pocket. This has to be the pen pocket. So this is a pen pocket, you guys, and it has the Simply Gilded engraved on there. Obviously I should open it up, take it out and look at it. Oh, it feels nice. There's some little sticky stuff on the inside there. Just gonna clean that up real quick. Oh, it feels nice. And it goes so well with the rest of the items. It follows suit. So I'm here for that. I know we want to see the washi tape and all that, but we'll get to that in a second. I'll put that there for now. Oh, here is the A5 stitched binding notebook with the color or the printed theme of the Hummingbird Story on the outside. I don't want to take it off the plastic yet to find out if it is lined or blank, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to take a wild guess and say that it's lined. And we have the silver bow attached here. Boom. There you have it. And we have the Deluxe sticker kit. Alright. And the seals. So we're going to get into that. So here we have them. And this is really pretty. I should have been planning with my planners, huh? So these are heart icons. This is the basic sheet right here. These are your basic icons in silver foiling. And then we also have the heart icons, which are dates and foils in this lovely pink. And I'm pretty sure this pink color is probably going to go along the same lines as the name of the Pink Hair Pink Trumpet. We use this as a reference for the names. So we have the pink trumpet here. These are cute. We have days, well, numbers 1 through 31. So if you wanted to do your monthly with this, you can. If you want to do any week, you can. And then you have some more icons here as well. And then we have some half boxes, a checklist, some little deco stickers. This is so pretty, you guys. Then we have the seals here. These seals are really nice. I love this blue, which according to the sticky note tab, she may be referring to this as blue belt. I kind of see it as periwinkle. Either way, it's so cute. And then here we have the Deluxe sticker kit. So of course we have the days of the week. We have the hummingbird print, and we have the blue bell. We also have some header. Is this header? We have your meetings, appointments, important groceries, meal plans, cleaning, and laundry day. For the week, we also have some smaller checklists here, some little mini bow stickers, a couple more icons, and some full boxes here. It says your next chapter is the greatest one yet. So cute. And then on the other side, which is the other sheet, we have another weekly header right here set. Some more full boxes. Oh, that's so cute. The more hummingbirds, the book stack or bookshelf, if you want to call it that. I don't know. Then we have some more headers here, and we also have some flags and some more full deco boxes. So this is really pretty. Really, really pretty. Really pretty. I'm here for this. Love it. And I'm just gonna put these here to the side. Then we have the large. Hold up. What is this got to be? You know what? I lied. This what's the mystery item? Let me look at this list. So this has to be the printed pocket. Or is this the printed? I don't know what it is. I don't even know what a pocket is. I'm going to have to look that up. probably gonna have to go to the Simply Gilded page to find out what a polka is, but I am here for this. This is pretty. This is a pretty pink. Ooh wee, I love the inside. It has the hummingbird design. I kind of wish that it could be flipped inside out so that the hummingbirds are on the outside and then you have the pink on the inside. So, ooh, this is pretty. Alright, and so I feel like I could fit a whole A5 binder up in here. I'm not gonna try it though. For once on camera, I'm not gonna try to fit something in. But what I will be doing is storing my stuff inside. So these can fit in here quite comfortably. Okay, look at that. Yeah, girl. And you have the loop on the end, so you can actually add like a charm to this. If you have a wrist strap that you wanted to add on, you could insert it into like your own type of wristlet. Oh, and this one snaps back shut a lot easier than the one that I got in the last video. I can't even think of it right now because truth be told, it's late while I'm opening this. Alright, let's get into this envelope here. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, there's some more pretty stuff coming, guys. I really wish I opened my mail on time. I need to start opening my mail on time. Okay, so can we just pause for the envelope that this comes in? It says Hope, and this is really pretty. These are some really pretty envelopes that these things come in. I'm just saying. So here we have the engraved pen, which is gorgeous. Of course, it's a gel pen. It's with the silver hardware, so Simply Gilded. We have the signature Simply Gilded bow right there. And it's a gel pen. You have the tip protector right there. So you know it was not used. Okay? And then we also have here the foiled journaling card, which is very pretty, like on the opposite side. So you can freestyle on the side if you want to tip it into your TNs or whatnots. This is really pretty. And then these are some clear stickers. So you have the books, the hummingbirds, and some bows. I like that. That's really pretty. Really, really pretty. Now let's get into the washi. Ooh, I should have opened my mail a lot sooner. I'm just a slacker. You guys, do you see how pretty this is? And then of course, I get the add-on, the 5mm add-on, because why not? It's only a few dollars more, and I don't want to have FOMO, and I just think it's so pretty. But I'm definitely here for the book stacks. I'm gonna say that these are the perforated rolls right here for this week. Yep, these are perforated this week. Next week, perforated header rolls, and the simple line washi. Maybe I'm seeing a different perforation. Nope, these are perforated. I can see the perforations. And then we have the hummingbird washi. Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. But y'all know that these right here are gonna be my ultimate favorites. And I'm telling you now, my camera is doing this no justice whatsoever. My lighting is doing this no justice whatsoever. I can't get my lighting straight, and my eyesight is terrible right now. But I promise you, I love this. This is super cute. Add-ons are cute. Everything is cute. Oh my gosh, it's cute. It's so cute. It's so pretty. This may be my second favorite one to the iridescent ink. Iridescent ink has my heart because of course it's purple, but this is so cute, so cute. So of course we have silver foiling here. Of course it's gonna tie in with the box, but I love it. So you guys, this is the Hummingbird Story. You saw the mystery item, which I'm so confused on what the mystery item is. I need to backtrack, and I'll probably put it somewhere in this video, like indicating this is a mystery item, and this video is definitely going to be a spoiler. So if you did not get the box, I believe the extras will be going up soon on her site. You are most definitely free to use the link that I have down below in my description box to go ahead and order. Save yourself a couple of coins, I think, on your order as well. And getting on the pretty, I do have another box coming up to show you guys. And it's an older sub box that was still on the site that I did order. So that will be in the next video along with a massive haul. But please let me know if you guys did get this box. What did you love about this box? What did you not love about this box? Actually, don't tell me what you didn't like about the box, because honestly, I'm not gonna care. And I'm just being honest. I'm not gonna care what you didn't like, because I liked it all. But thank you for watching me and joining me on my channel for this Happy Meal opening. I'm glad you came, and I hope to see you for my next one. Bye!